How to fix login expired in TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix login expired on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see which works better. Once connected, reopen TikTok app and try logging in again. Second step, update TikTok app. Open App Store or Play Store. Navigate to search icon and search for TikTok. If there is any update button, tap to install the latest version. If it says open, your app is already up to date. You can go back to TikTok and check if the error is gone. If the issue is still persists, it could be a service side problem. In that case, you all can do is wait. TikTok will usually fix it on their end. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.